Hello everyone. Today we are making Mirchi Ki Salan, a biryani salan or a biryani gravy, a side dish for all biryanis. Dry roast 2 tablespoons of peanuts in a pan on low flame until they turn crunchy. Once done, set aside. Into the same pan, dry roast 2 tablespoons sesame seed and a tablespoon of poppy seeds and quarter tablespoon fenugreek seeds, optional. 2 tablespoons dry coconut on low flame until they turn golden brown. Once roasted, allow them to cool completely and transfer to a mixer jar. Blend this into a fine powder and set aside. Soak half lemon sized tamarind and take out the extract and set aside. To a hot skillet goes 3 tablespoon oil, splatter a tablespoon of mustard seed, a tablespoon of cumin seed, and a few curry leaves, 2 red chillies, and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then goes a tablespoon of turmeric, tablespoon of chilli powder, tablespoon of coriander, half a tablespoon cumin powder, half a tablespoon garam masala, finally salt for taste. Don't forget to add a tablespoon of biryani masala, which is a special ingredient here. Saute on low flame until the spices turn aromatic. Now add around 10 ml of water just to avoid the burnt of spices. Then goes tamarind extract. Give a nice stir. Then add our blend masala powder or a nuts powder to the kadai and mix well. Add half a tablespoon of jaggery powder just to adjust the balance of flavors. Then goes around 6 green chillies. Just let it cook for about 2 minutes on the gravy. Adjust the consistency of gravy by adding a water. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Then go say chopped coriander leaves and chopped mint leaves. Give a nice stir and let it cook for 1 more minute and wait till the oil floats on the surface. Once done, switch off the cooktop and serve into a bowl. Serve hot and enjoy Mirchi Ka Salan with biryani. Thank you for your time. Namaste.